Kaleb Whitby's Chevy Silverado is at this Baker City salvage yard. It's really remarkable to look at the truck in person. The photo of Whitby looking out of the cab of the truck really does not do it justice how remarkable it is that he survived what was a massive crash, more than 26 vehicles on Interstate 84 just outside of Baker City. The extended cab Silverado is really unrecognizable. As you see, it sits in this yard with one of the semis involved in the crash. And this is the fate of the truck.